speaking of the tariffs, how do you reconcile the movement we've had with those tariffs? Are those tariffs having any impact, or like what's reconcile this for us a little bit? Because I think it's what's happened is a little bit backwards to what people thought, because the tariffs got placed on that Friday. Market shoots lower. Everyone's talking about compensation and, look at the market loss because of EVs. And then as of about a week after the announcement, we've just kind of gone higher since then. So what's actually happening here behind the scenes from a buying perspective from China?
Well, what happened was that tariffs never actually took effect on canola products into the US. So, yes, China put tariffs on canola oil and canola meal, but they left them off canola seed. And, but, even before that, China had not been a big buyer of our canola oil and canola meal. But we continue to ship them canola seed without a tariff. The US, never did place a tariff on our canola oil and canola, meal, primarily because those are products that are included in the free trade agreement, or the USMCA, or whatever acronym it's called on either side of the border. But so, I think the industry just was kind of looking at it going, business as usual. Let's get the business done. And I don't know if you want to call it front loading or just, regular course of business, but, the demand for the oil, the meal into the US and the seed into China is still there. And none of those were affected by tariffs. So we kind of dodged a bullet.